Welcome back to Louisiana Outdoor Experience. So today, it's a regular schedule-ish thing that I normally do every month. That's right, Matrix Baitbox. I actually have to drive to the post office to pick my mail up right now, and I'm staying at my in-laws, so I'm filming this inside their shed. But we're going to do an unboxing of this today. Stay tuned. Make sure you find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Louisiana Outdoors. I'll leave the link tree below. We'll have all the links, including the newest videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're entered into our giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers, and every 100 subscribers after that. We'll be giving away some Matrix baits, some hooks, different things like that. Oh, look at this. Some more pink champagne Matrix. I'm going to have to look into what the coloration of these are. Man, this September box is chock-block full. Some more flutes. Some light Matrix craws. Some black with red flakes Matrix craws. Some green and brown with purple flakes Matrix cross. I'm going to get all these colors for y'all. A Matrix mullet! I have two of identical ones now. That's awesome. That's what I was hearing around, and it wasn't a popping cork. And some lemon head Matrix shads with some of their hooks. I'm going to go back through these and get you the colors. Alright, so the color of this Matrix craw, which is a green and looks like purple coloration with purple and silver flakes, is called the Zulu. The white one with a little bit of, looks like silver glitter, is the White Lightning. And this one's black with red flake in it, and it's called the Night Craw. So this Matrix mullet, which is white at the bottom, green on the sides, and black on the top, is the Mojito colored Matrix mullet. This flute, this Matrix fluke, is it's green on the top, kind of goldish on the bottom, with black flake on the top and gold flake on the bottom. It's the cockroach colored. Alright, so this one has it's a laminate bait. It's got a green top, some black and red flake in it, with a cream colored body almost. It's got silver flake in it. This is the Green Hornet. This big pack, it's almost like a chartreuse yellow at the top, and kind of looks a little bit like almost a clear laminate on the bottom of it. This is the lemon heads, and these solid pink ones are the pink champagne. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I had to switch to my cell phone because my camera died. I will have a couple of hurricane videos coming out in the next few days, so it'll be on the initial cleanup. Then after that, we have a big cleanup planned for this weekend, so I'll probably have some film of that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of that content and our giveaway. With it getting cool, you know what that means in South Louisiana. We're having gumbo tonight.